Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dreamy effect on CapCut PC. Select your video. I'm just going to adjust the frame ratio here. And then, oh, wrong one. Alright, and then you're going to just go to the effects section and just type in soft. You're then going to select this one and just drag it into the video. I think it is the pro feature now, but here you can kind of adjust how dreamy you want your video to be by adjusting it in the adjustments tab here. But that is pretty much how you can make your videos look more dreamy on CapCut PC. You can add like more stuff to it if you'd like to make it look more hazy if you want. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.